Hey guys, hey, I wore a different shirt just so you guys know I have more than one shirt because I think most of my videos I'm wearing the red shirt. So I put this one on and it's already dirty. And I've only been out for like maybe an hour. Cheers to Canada Day, long weekend. Happy birthday, Canada. Muskoka Cream Ale. Can't go wrong with this. No, I'm not a sponsor, but I love this beer. It's delicious. It was a beautiful day earlier today. Unfortunately, I had to work. So by the time I was done, well, it's cloudy. And tomorrow it's supposed to rain all day. But it is what it is. We're still going to have a good time, guys. So follow along and see what we're up to.
We waited a really long time.
Yeah.
To switch her, like we just switched her in March.
Yeah.
So she's like, I don't want a big girl bed. I want my bed.
They're in the fridge. Or I saw some. Maybe no.
No, those weren't the ones we brought.
What's the oxygen getting in there? Mila. Yeah, it's raining. Yeah. Big bass.
Big
Big bass.
Guess
Yeah.
got it. Okay.
Jump. Jump.
Mala, what's that? Whoa.
What a jump. Jamaican beef patties, guys. Mila. Mila. How was that? Sour?
Baby rock.
Baby rock. Baby rock.
I think it'll send me your question.
Baby rock.
So the worst case, what I can see is it kind of doing this. You know, like sometimes, it going that way and then the top falling this way, right? You follow what I mean? Yeah. So just watch for that, and your safe area is right there. Run to that tree, right?
Yeah.
Because it can't fall through the tree, right?
Hopefully not.
Okay, it's wiggling around. Yeah, sick. Woo! Nice.
Here goes nothing.
It's going. Nice one.
We're alive.
It's down.
Yeah, no, that was probably a good call. I think it would have been a lot harder to. He just seemed to want it to kind of fall.
Still got a bit of a job.
Staying this way, yeah?
But from underneath? Get the fuck out of the way.
Come on, baby. Don't fail me now.
So, like the tree will swing down and grab the blade. So keep that in mind.
Oh yeah. Get it on the top now.
Just fucking laying there pinned under a fucking tree.
Waiting for her to call. And realize
And then
you're
I
fucked.
don't even have a fucking phone on me.
What do you want to do with this one?
You could try splitting it. It'll probably get a little bit mangled in the process, but now we wait.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh.
Okay, moment of truth.
Not good.
Could be good, could be really bad.
Then I want to eat that
Be
first.
burnt.
Yes.
Do you?
Exciting.
Can you go put this in the ground and then this can hang out?
Oh, I
Looks good.
No, we don't touch it. We're not sticking it in there. You want to eat this with Mama?
Yeah.
I share with you? You go
That's
throw this
nice.
in the ground.
Didn't burn?
think it's good. Didn't burn. That's the main thing.
That's
It's all. I'm sure it's all cooked.
Well, we'll see, I guess.
Yes.
Yep, it's cooked. Yep.
you want me to help you? I can get some.
Do you want me to come with you?
So we're replacing these old lights with newer ones that I had sitting in the boxes for about 10 years. So maybe they're not as new, but they were in a box, so I guess they don't go bad. Yeah, so just got to dig out the old wire. There's some there and there and there, and I already replaced 2 of them. I just gotta get this guy in there, and hopefully it will look nicer here at nighttime. Beautiful day, guys. There's a nice breeze, but it's pretty hot. It's probably like 28 degrees. I don't know, my head hurts. Alright, back to work. Will that be enough? That is the question. Sky looks a little bit angry, like it's gonna rain or something. So, you know, we haven't had enough of that this past few days. Look, it just rains and rains and rains. Try something a little different today. Cameron's Brewing Cosmic Cream Ale. It's okay. Muskoka Cream Ale is better. I get that lily pad back in. It's gonna be a bit of a task. But, yeah, we might get some thunder and some rain, guys. Better button things up here. Well, guys, a whole week has gone by, and as usual, it went by really quickly. But we got some good stuff done. Got that tree down, cut up and split. Cleaned up a whole bunch of stuff. So, anyways, it was a good time. The bugs were bad, but that's just part of the experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for joining me and watching. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.